If a website feels too good to be true, it usually is, and that's exactly the vibe LabubuFantasy.com gives off at first glance. It looks like a collector's paradise, packed with charming plush dolls and stylish vinyl figures from series like Big Into Energy, The Monsters, and even a cool Coca-Cola collaboration. The design is sleek, the products look top tier, and the deals seem almost irresistible. But when you scratch beneath the surface, the glossy illusion starts to fade quickly. First off, the domain was registered just recently in March 2025, which makes it a brand new player in the online marketplace, something to be cautious about when there's no established reputation. Then you notice the glaring lack of transparency, no company name, no background information, no team introduction, and no legit About Us page. That's a huge red flag in today's e-commerce world where trust is everything. On top of that, the site aggressively uses pressure tactics like only one left in stock, customer 7 of 10, and limited offer banners to make you feel like you're missing out. Classic strategies used by shady sites to rush decisions and boost conversions. But it gets worse. We did a reverse image search on several of their products, and the results show those images are taken from other websites, which casts serious doubt on whether they even have the products they claim to sell. Despite boasting claims of over 10,000 satisfied customers, there are no real, verifiable reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, or any major forums. Absolutely nothing from real buyers. That kind of mismatch between marketing claims and user feedback is deeply suspicious. Plus, there's no social media presence whatsoever, which is practically unheard of for any legit brand in 2025. No Instagram, no Facebook, no TikTok, not even a dead Twitter account. Finally, safety checkers like eveninsights.com assign the site a low trust rating, further reinforcing that this isn't a place you want to hand over your credit card details lightly. So is Labubu Fantasy a scam? Well, we can't say definitively. There's just too much sketchiness here to ignore. It's not a glowing endorsement, but it's not a blind accusation either, just a strong word of caution for anyone thinking of placing an order. Stay smart, stay skeptical.